In this video I will show you how to fix site cannot be reached issue when you try to open website in Chrome browser. First of all, let's check internet connection. For this, go and open any web browser in an address bar, type fast.com and press enter. It will check your internet connection speed. In my case, it is showing good internet speed. If you have good internet speed, go for next solution where we clear Chrome cache and cookies. For this, type following and press enter. It will redirect you to Chrome cache and cookies page. I will provide it in description. Select time range to all time. Make sure you check in cookies, cached images and files. After that, click on delete data. Wait for some time, it may take few seconds to clear all the cache data and cookies. Now go and check website opens or not. In my case, this fixed the issue. If that does not fixed you, then let's move and flush DNS cache. For this, go to search and type command prompt and then open it as administrator as shown here. Then in command prompt type ipconfig /flushdns and press enter. It successfully clear my DNS resolver cache. Now go and open website again. If it is still showing same issue, then go and change DNS server. For this, go to search and type control panel and then select it from the list. Then select view by category option at the top. After that, click on network and internet. Again, click on network and sharing center. On the left pane, click on change adapter settings. Then right click on your network and then select properties. Next, select Internet Protocol version 4. Then select properties. Then check in use the following DNS. After that, provide following preferred and alternate Google DNS address as shown in the screen. Next, click on OK and then again visit the website, and this should fix your issue if related to DNS. If still you are facing the issue, then you can move and reset Chrome settings. For this, open Chrome and an address bar, type following and press enter. I will provide link in description. Click on choose restore settings to their original defaults. Then click on reset. Now these fixations should help you open website again and fix site cannot reach issue. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.